Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best abrasive cleaning stick is probably one of the most versatile and effective tools you can add to your cleaning arsenal, capable of tackling stubborn grime, rust, and stains on a variety of surfaces that traditional cleaners often struggle with, making it an indispensable item for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts alike. Number 5. Scrub It Multi-Purpose Kitchen Sponges, 6-pack, small. Introducing the Scrub It Multi-Purpose Kitchen Sponges, designed to tackle all your kitchen cleaning needs. This pack includes small-sized sponges, perfect for everyday use. Crafted with non-scratch microfiber, these sponges offer a gentle yet effective cleaning experience. They are safe to use on all your delicate surfaces without leaving any marks. Don't let their gentle touch fool you, these sponges pack a powerful scrubbing punch. They effortlessly remove tough grease and grime, making cleaning a breeze. Designed for longevity, these sponges are reusable, offering great value for your money. They maintain their scrubbing power even after multiple uses. From everyday dishes to stubborn pot and pan messes, these sponges are your go-to solution. They make cleaning up after meals quick and easy. This convenient 6-pack ensures you always have a fresh sponge on hand. The small size makes them easy to handle and store. What we like. This offers a dual-action cleaning experience. If you're looking for a versatile sponge that can handle both delicate surfaces and tough grime, this is a great choice for your kitchen. What people say. They remove grease and residue from pans after searing or roasting with very little effort. The scrub side handles tough spots efficiently without scratching, even when used with firm pressure, while the soft side rinses clean easily and doesn't stain or retain odors like other brands. I use them daily on stainless steel cookware, granite countertops, and baking dishes, and they've held up impressively well, no fraying edges or layers peeling apart, even after several weeks of use. They also dry quickly, which helps prevent odors and extends their lifespan. The Scrub It Kitchen Scrub Sponges truly redefine the concept of effortless cleaning. With their innovative design featuring a non-scratch microfiber sponge combined with heavy-duty scouring power, these sponges make quick work of even the toughest cleaning tasks. From stubborn grease to baked-on food residue, these sponges effortlessly tackle it all, leaving my dishes, pots, and pans sparkling clean with minimal effort. Number 4. POWERTEC 71002 Abrasive Cleaning Stick. Keep your sanding belts and discs performing like new. This tool effectively removes sawdust, pitch, and gum buildup. It's designed to extend the life of your sanding equipment. Crafted from professional-grade, all-natural rubber, this cleaning stick is built for durability. Its large size and extended length are perfect for tackling tough cleaning jobs on your sandpaper. Simply hold the stick against your running sander's abrasive surface. This action quickly clears away clogged dust and debris, restoring your sandpaper's effectiveness. Ideal for a variety of sanding surfaces including belts, discs, and drum sanders. It can even clean skateboard grip tape and rubber shoe soles. Don't let buildup compromise your finish. This essential tool ensures your sanding surfaces remain clean and efficient for a perfect woodworking result. For optimal performance, this cleaner works best on cured or dry residue. It's a simple yet effective solution for maintaining your woodworking tools. What we like. This is designed to keep your woodworking tools in top condition. If you're a woodworker who wants to maximize the performance and lifespan of your sanding belts and discs, this is the tool for you. What people say. Taking a quick break every so often to clean the paper with these sticks speeds up your sanding, and you end up with a higher quality end product. These bars are pretty durable as well, they don't need to use a ton of material to clean up the paper nicely, so they last for a while. These do a great job of cleaning my power sanding belts, which makes my belts last significantly longer and work a lot better. This natural rubber eraser is a game changer for maintaining sanding belts and discs. It effortlessly clears out the gunk and residue that accumulates during sanding, giving a second life to my sanding belts and discs. The natural rubber eraser is not only effective but also gentle on the abrasive surfaces. It doesn't cause any damage, ensuring that my sanding tools last longer, ultimately saving me money. It's incredibly easy to use, just apply a bit of pressure while your sander is running, and watch the magic happen. Number 3. Abrasive Cleaning Stick Sandpaper Cleaner. Tired of sandpaper losing its effectiveness? This natural rubber cleaning stick is your essential woodworking companion. It effectively removes residue, restoring your sanding belts and discs to like new condition. Don't let dust and debris shorten the life of your sandpaper. Simply rub this cleaning eraser stick on your sanding belts and discs. Watch as the dust and residue vanish, significantly extending the usability of your woodworking tools. This tool acts like a large eraser, quickly clearing debris from abrasives. For power sanders, just press it against the running belt. You'll see it clean right before your eyes, making it perfect for all your woodworking needs. This natural rubber cleaning stick isn't just for sandpaper. It works wonders on various items around your workshop or garage. Use it on disc sanders, drum sanders, and even as grip gum for skateboards. Skateboarders, rejoice! This natural rubber eraser is perfect for cleaning grip tape surfaces. It revitalizes the grip and extends its longevity, making it an essential accessory for your board. Even abrasive or grip tape used on floor areas can be easily cleaned with this natural rubber eraser. It's a versatile solution for maintaining various surfaces and tools. What we like. This product is all about bringing your sanding materials back to life. If you need to quickly and effectively remove dust and debris to restore your sandpaper and belts, this is an essential addition to your workshop. What people say. It removed dirt and dust from my skateboard's grip easily and made it look much cleaner without damaging it. Clean sanding belts fast and easy. A quality product that is worth the money and saves belts. Made my belt sander belts better than new. It cleans the sandpaper surface, unclogging it for a better finish and longer-lasting discs and belts. Number 2. Abrasive Cleaning Eraser Stick. Introducing our Abrasive Cleaning Eraser Stick, designed to bring your sanding tools back to life. It's the perfect solution for maintaining your equipment. Crafted from high-quality, natural rubber, this stick is built for durability and long-lasting performance. It effectively cleans without causing damage. Simply hold it against a moving abrasive belt or disc. It quickly removes loaded particles and debris, ensuring a clean working surface. This versatile tool is ideal for cleaning sanding belts, discs, and even the rubber soles of shoes and skateboard grip tape. It's a must-have for various tasks. By keeping your sanding tools clean, you significantly extend their lifespan and ensure they operate at peak efficiency. Get more done with less effort. What we like. This offers a straightforward and effective way to maintain your sanding equipment. If you prioritize durability and want to ensure your sanding belts and discs work more efficiently, this is a reliable option. What people say. This abrasive cleaning stick is a game changer for removing tough grime and stains from various surfaces. The stick's abrasive nature effectively tackles baked-on food and rust without scratching delicate materials. Its compact and easy-to-handle design makes it convenient for cleaning tight corners and intricate details. Number 1. Abrasive Cleaning Eraser Stick. Tired of clogged sanding belts and discs? This essential accessory quickly cleans them without causing any damage. Don't replace your sanding tools too soon. This eraser stick can extend their life by 3 to 4 times, saving you money. Get back to your project in no time. It works effectively in just seconds, making your sanding tasks more efficient. Crafted from natural rubber, it's a durable and reliable tool for your workshop. Achieve perfect sanding results on belts, discs, sandpaper, skateboards, and even shoes. It's a must-have for any woodworking enthusiast. What we like. This is a must-have accessory for anyone serious about sanding. If you want to significantly extend the life of your sanding belts and discs and get them working like new in just seconds, this is the product you need. What people say. The 8-inch abrasive cleaning eraser is a must-have for all of your sanders. The size makes it very easy to hand, versatile and effective for cleaning all of your sanding products. Freshened up the grip tape with this. The texture feels brand new. Doesn't even take long, 2-3 passes, works instantly. This 1-to-1-2x1-to-1-2x8 abrasive cleaning eraser stick is great for removing stubborn grime, rust, or residue from metal and hard surfaces. It's firm and easy to grip, making it ideal for precision cleaning in tight spots. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.